Hi, and welcome to No Coupons Needed advertisement for products on sale. This is my kid's wall clock, preferably a girl. It is brand new. I want to take it out the box just to show you that this wall clock right here has a moving bottom as it ticks. Now, no batteries are added at this point, but if you see, here's the pendulum movement that is attached to the leg portion of this wall clock. Now, I don't know if that's a baboon or a pig or a monkey, but I think it is rather cute, and it will go great in a little girl's room. Works perfect. It's still in the box, as you see, brand new. And thank you. Happy shopping.